Removing a system board assembly. Remove the front top cover. Remove the rear top cover. If any of the following components are installed, remove them. Disconnect all the cables from the system board assembly. Pull up the rear plunger to release the system board assembly. Hold the front lifting handle and the rear plunger, and then slide the system board assembly toward the front of the chassis. Hold the front lifting handle and the rear plunger, and then lift the system board assembly out of the chassis. The system board assembly is composed of the processor board and system I/O board. To separate the system I/O board from the processor board, unfasten the screws that connect them. Pinch the handle on the system I/O board and pull it outward to disengage it from the processor board.